Hello and welcome to week 8. This is the week you're turning in all of your plant information. So hopefully you actually did it. Um, Everything has been graded. Midterm grades have been done. By the time this video posts, there will have been an announcement that tells you midterm grades are done, and there will be a graphic that shows you the statistics of the class. So if you're curious as to where you line up in the course, that's going to be right there. What I have noticed is there are a lot of people in this lab who are not turning anything in. Now, while it does make my life a little easier because it's less for me to grade, pretty sure people are going to be shocked when they get the report that they're failing because they haven't turned anything in. I don't know why I bother putting this in the video, because if you're watching the video, you already probably open the week's file. But I'm just reminding everybody that if you do not open the week's file, none of the assignments will show up. There is always something due. Every single week, there is something you can turn in. So anytime you do not see something showing up, it means you did not open the week's file. So just make sure to do that. I don't really have a whole lot to add about the lab this week because you've already done it, or you're just going to have to type something in that says, well, crap, I forgot. If you were late growing your plants and nothing's happening, you can still get partial credit just by turning it in and saying, my bad, I forgot. I didn't do it. This is what I should have done. I didn't get it done. This is what I think. You can still do the quiz part. That's going to ask you like why something might be the case. And for those who had been wondering and trying to figure it out, and you're like, oh my gosh, how come this plant didn't grow? There's a reason. There's a reason you were told specifically how to do this. So I'm looking forward to seeing how many people actually did it. Don't forget to include your pictures in a single Word document. Insert the images into a Word document and attach a single Word document. Do not give me 8 million different pictures. You will lose points for that because the directions tell you in one Word document. You also need to remember to tell me your thoughts about this, and you're supposed to have that one image to prove it's you and yours, you know? In the past, I have had people who have just grabbed pictures online and tried to pass it off as theirs. Don't do that. You'll get caught. It makes me rather grumpy. So please just do it. And again, like I said, if you totally flaked and you forgot to do this for the past however many weeks that you've been reminded, be honest and just answer what you can. Any points are better than none. Now, the midterm grades, if you are not happy with where you are, contact me. We'll discuss what you need to do. I'm not reopening anything. I am not offering extra credit, even though some has already taken place throughout this term. I will not be giving you a redo because you should have done your job from the beginning. However, I can talk to you and show you how much there still is in the term and show you realistically what kind of grade you can get by the end and what you need to do. So if you are doing really poorly because you haven't been doing any work and you want to know my opinion about stuff, hit me up. We will set up some kind of meeting on Zoom. We'll discuss it. I'll show you reality. And then we have that long semester-long project you're supposed to be working on. A few people have been asking me about it, and I keep saying wait till after midterm because I wait until after people drop the course before I go into more depth. Well, we're almost there. So pretty soon I'm going to be giving you nice big messages about that project, and I may even be offering some live, I can't think of the word, collaborative things. Yeah, there you go. That'll work. Basically, I'll do a poll to find out when might be good for a few people, and then we'll do a Zoom, post the link. Everybody who wants to come can come. I do this each term, and typically one person shows up. I try to make it for multiple people, but it turns out most people don't want to do it. So we'll figure it out. And at that point, I will be going into more depth, talking about graphs, showing you how to do the graphs and that kind of thing. So just know those of you who have been going crazy wanting more information, it's coming. It really is. It's just, I really do wait until after midterm because otherwise I'm answering all these questions for people who end up dropping the course. This just works better for me. So I guess that is it. If you need anything, email me at the actual email address or the phone number that I say you can text me. Yes, you can contact me through Brightspace, but it's going to take me longer to reply. Every time you do it through Brightspace, it takes me longer because the other stuff hits me up like immediately. And yeah, pretty sure that's it. So let me know if you need anything and peace out.